Puna Ora, well, I guess if we could break down the words, Puna being like a spring and Ora being life, and the perspective that everybody has this wellspring inside them. And it plays on the kupu actually, moko puna and tupuna. Us as individuals are just the amalgamation of all these beautiful people who've gone before us.
E oho mai, e hua mai, o kura kei roto tonu I tō whatu manawa. Ka ihihi, ka wehi, ka wana mehea wa e tere ana I te.
I just thought it was a nice like reflection of where we start life and where we end up being, and the fact that they'll one day be the tupuna.
Yeah, it's kind of written from a perspective of to make sure that your Puna Ora is all good, whatever that looks like.